Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs, you guys. How's it going? I'm so excited for today. I have a crazy, amazing, what I think is crazy and amazing. Maybe you don't, but I'm super excited for today, you guys. I'm just gonna show you a sneak peek. 20 skeins. I could go on and on. Anyway, that's towards the end. Listen to my yarn yap. It's got some good stuff. Let's start talking, you guys. For those of you interested in the mermaid stitch tutorial, you guys, I do have it up and running. It is super fabulous, super easy to do. It is just the stitch, and I will have that linked up above or to the side or wherever it shows on your mobile device. I will have it also the link down below. A lot of you were asking for this, and I finally did it. It takes me a while because of my hands. Also, I am going to start working on this. This book here is super fantastic. I was taking a look at the patterns. You guys, I don't know if you've ever, or how many of you have actually wrote patterns before. Writing a crochet pattern is actually kind of difficult because when you are doing your crochet, like however you talk to yourself in your head is how you talk to yourself in your head, right? But then when you try to write it out, like how I talk to myself is how I talk to myself. It's like a circus up there, right? And then I've written a ton of crochet patterns. But then when I go to publish them, it's like, does this make sense? I could tell, like, it's very interesting how different people write out their crochet patterns. And I can tell, like, especially when you have to yarn over and then in the same stitch and yarn over in the same stitch. So how she wrote her patterns, it's like you have to decipher them a little bit. So it's going to take some time, especially I want to start out with this. So I'm going to do the vine, and then I'm going to do the vine in the actual plant like this, because the vine in the plant involves getting the pot, and it also involves making the dirt in the plant. I know you can't really see it. I was going to, did you see that? I tilted the book so maybe you guys could see the plant and the dirt. Anyway, you guys, this is next. I should just stop the video right there and call it a day. But those will be coming out for the next round of tutorials. So be on the lookout eventually. Everything with me is eventually. Nothing is on a set date because otherwise I get way too stressed out. Another thing, welcome to Yarn Yap, by the way. This is my Yarn Yap, you guys, where I talk to you. And welcome to all of my new crochet friends, you guys. I'm really excited for you guys to be here. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, and this is really major. After the plants, I'm going to get started on I was going to do the fingerless gloves, you guys, but I'm going to wait. I have to really think about those, first of all. And second of all, it's 90 degrees here in the Bay Area. Usually in the Bay Area right now in March, maybe it's like 60. Yeah, it's crazy. I lost track of what I was gonna say. I dreamt about making a tote bag, like a crochet carry-all kind of thing for my projects. with this stitch. I don't know if that was the last yarn yap or the one before that, but I had a dream where I had my projects in my cute tote bag with this stitch. Okay, bear with me. I was thinking, I don't want to use this specific yarn. Why? Because of I'm thinking long term, okay? This is an acrylic yarn. I love personally using cotton yarns. Cotton yarns are very, very durable and they last forever and they don't pill. Pilling is what happens when you guys wear a yarn and it gets the fuzzies and everything, which is awesome. And that's what happens when you wear it and it happens with use, and it's just the natural occurrence of what happens to the yarn, right? I get it. But I'm going to be using this bag and like it's going to be tossed and turned and you know, yarn's going to be going in and out and everything and what have you, right? Projects are going to be going in and out and everything. So I need a durable bag. One of my questions today is for all of those who know and who have used, and I know of a few ones, but do you guys know of a cotton yarn that has a good colorway, maybe like this? I found one actually, I forgot the brand, but I know Premier has a couple of them. I was on Hirschner's. This is why I'm having these massive giveaways, because I got to get rid of all of this yarn that I have so I could buy new yarn. So I could have, remember those yarn hauls I used to have? Anyway, do you guys know of a cotton yarn that has a good colorway with good saturation that I can use to make my yarn carry-all bag with this stitch, the mermaid stitch, that would look good in this stitch? Question one. Let me know down below. I have notes, and yes, I did write them on a napkin. Oh my God, you guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. Okay, I think that's all. That's all we have right now. Let's get to this giveaway. Hold on. That's all that I had. I couldn't find my note. My notes. I make you guys laugh. You guys, this is green yarn. So green yarn and green adjacent, right? Monday or Tuesday, I forgot whatever day, was St. Patrick's Day. I was going to make a huge video. I was with my husband that day. He had the day off, so we decided to go out to lunch, and we actually had a really nice day together. For those of you who don't know, my husband's on cancer treatments, and when he has the day off, I take the day off. So that's how that goes. So I am having a green yarn giveaway in honor of St. Patrick's Day. Yay. Yay for you guys. It is 20 skeins, so sit down and get comfortable, okay? Again, this has green yarn. I don't even think this mandala has green yarn, but hey, it's free, it's for you guys. So let's talk about this yarn. I need some glasses. Here's some glasses right here. Everything that I talk about is included in this giveaway. You have to be a Playbook subscriber. Yes. You have to be a U.S. resident. Yes. What do you have to do to win this giveaway? I will talk about it after. Just listen. Listen. Everything is included in this giveaway. there is one, I'm not gonna get super into detail, one skein of Super Saver Parrot, what is this? Parrot Stripe Gorge, it's got green. One skein Basic Stitch, this is my favorite, this is like a true green. Ivy Gorge. 2 skeins Karen Simply Soft Dark Sage. Remember, every skein is included in this giveaway. That's a really pretty green. Oh, this does have a little bit of green. 1 skein Mandala Sirens. I don't even know how much a skein of mandala is. I remember when this yarn was $4.99. The last time I checked, which was like 2 years ago, that was like $10.99. This is absolutely stunning yarn. This is from Hobbii. This is called Panettone. And yes, this is cotton. It has a, ooh, you guys can totally see that. A strand of metallic. And Hobbii doesn't have the names of it, but you get 2 skeins of it. Gorge. And it's like a lemon lime with like dark olive. I don't know why my camera, there we go. 2 skeins of that. Panettone. This is a, you guys, I can't even believe I'm giving this away. 2 skeins of Lion Brand True Boo. This is fabulousness. I think I started like a project with this. I was gonna make it in this color, but I decided to make it in a teal color. And of course, I never finished the teal color. I was gonna make a top. Gorge. This is Celery. Lion Brand True Boo. This, if you guys have never felt it, it's so awesome. It has that really pretty sheen to it. This is perfect for summertime projects. 1 skein of Lion Brand Re-Up. Lion Brand on their website used to have mystery bags. My camera's not focusing today. This is just Re-Up cotton, recycled. Or mystery, not bags, mystery boxes. And of course, I used to order like 5 boxes at a time, and they were gigantic boxes. Huge. For like $30. And they were clearance boxes. So I ordered like 5 at a time. This was like back, I don't know, 6 years ago. 4 skeins of Hobbii Rainbow Glitter. This is cotton yarn. Gorge. Yes, I do just have all this yarn laying around. This is all brand new, by the way. This and this would look really pretty together. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, I'll put it all together. 4 skeins of that. And then I forgot I had this. This is Hirschner's baby yarn. You guys, Hirschner's, I love, absolutely love. Look at that colorway. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skeins of this. This is all included in the giveaway. 20 skeins. I don't play. I don't joke around. This is not a joke. This is no joke city. What do you have to do to win this yarn? I'm gonna try to put it all in my arms. First, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. Please, that's all I ask. It's free. It's free, right? How am I gonna do this? Second, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Be a nice person, I guess. I don't know. I just had a brain fart. Second, answer the following question. I know there's something else, but I forgot what I was going to say. answer the following question. Oh, I did ask a question before. There's something, what do I normally ask you guys? I totally forgot. My friend's texting me. That's why I didn't put this on mute. Hold on. My friend is texting me, and she's texting me all these emojis. Anyway, you have to be a subscriber to my channel, you guys. Please, please, please. Thank you so much. And then there's 2 questions you have the option to answer. Answer the cotton question, or you can answer this question too. What is your favorite springtime memory? What is your favorite springtime memory? Over here in the Bay Area, I'm telling you, it's 90 degrees, and I was thinking about this on the drive home today from dropping off my daughter. One of my favorite springtime memories, you guys, is making mud pies in my grandma's backyard. I literally just thought about that this morning. I almost started crying. Awesome memory. So answer those 2 questions, or maybe answer just one of the questions. I'm going to try and put all this yarn. I can't hold it all. Let me put all this. Hold on one second. And you will be entered to win this fabulous yarn. I do not, someone was asking if I put a date. I do not put the date. Oh my God, pardon me. When I pick, because I like to keep it a mystery. When I pick the winner, I know this is not all the 20 skeins, but I'm gonna try and put everything down here, you guys. Oh my God, that just fell. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I don't even know if this is making sense, but I hope everyone is having a super fabulous day, and I hope everyone is doing awesome, and good luck to you all, you guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.